What's up, y'all? That was dope. We're gonna go to the beach again. Go watch some planes fly around. Just got off work. Stopped at the G station. Little Juneberry, bag of ice, gas up this vehicle. I want to name it, but I don't want to name it. If you want, comment at the bottom some ideas of names for the next vehicle, or lost my train of thought. Hold on. It'll come to me. Hold on. It'll come back to me. Go to air show, watch some planes. I don't know what I was talking about. Gonna go watch some planes fly around and chill. It's so bright today. It's making my face squinty. Relax. I can't help it though. I just wanna, excuse me. This is one of those days. It's that bright. It's one of those days. I hope I can see it from the beach because we're going to the beach. Can't see it at the beach? We ain't gonna watch it then. Today's about taking it easy, huh? Nothing extravagant. Not cooking nothing. We're just gonna take it easy. We're just gonna relax. Lego! He goes. Need tape. All right, we're here. We're here at this lovely park. Let's take a look at it. We are here today at this lovely park to observe the air show. We're going to sit outside, watch the planes go by. I want to go take a walk. There are people everywhere. I don't know if it's going to get more busy or if it's going to die out more. I'm not sure. We're gonna go for a nature walk. Going to jump in the back and put on my shorts for the walk. Can't forget the belt. I'll see you out there. Oh, it's such a bad angle. The nature walk. I don't want to go into too much detail. Give away the location. Can't do that. Can't do that now, can we? It's pretty dope. Holy lily pads. Look at that. Whoa. There's a trail above all the water and it goes all the way down. Yeah. And over here is like more of a grassy area, weeds area. Look at this side. Whoa, this is sick. I should have put on sunscreen. Always forget. Got a nice little trail. Something just jumped up out the water, ducked back in before I could even look and see what it was. I can't wait to like really be out in the middle of nowhere and some real nature trail. This ain't no it's a real nature trail, but I've seen realer. I want the trails you can't tell if it's a trail. That's cool. Look at that. Like, come on, bro. Well, not putting my back up against it. Pretty dope though, guys. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. It's pretty peaceful out here when the people aren't walking by. Let's go look at some birds. Almost leaned all the way back. Let's see if these benches are any better. A little bit. Look at this. Little mini dock they done added on. That's pretty cool. Well, pretty dope. Look, they're gonna get aggressive. Check this out. Look, I'm just minding my business, okay? Just trying to get by here, you know? Like, I don't want to have to walk all the way back around. Why do I gotta walk all the way back around? No, there's a pathway. I want to walk it. They gotta move. I hate to say it, guys. You know, this is your home and everything. I'm just trying to get by, all right? This is minding mine, too. Yo, yo. Just trying to get by here. Just going that way. Oh, you're getting a little too close, a little too close. Yo, chill, chill. Just trying to get a little footage here. Chill. Did you see that? I didn't even do nothing. All right, there's another one. You ain't slick. All right, there's another one. There's a whole little group of them over here. These are the little ones. Those white ones, this is like half my size, bro. Like, what? Back. Yo, chill. Oh my God. Glad that's over. Jeez. Just walking by, minding mine, they're minding theirs. And for some reason, they just wanna, like, bruh, chill, bro, chill. I don't know. We weren't doing that to other people. We're gonna do it to me, though. Wow, okay. This is why I don't feed birds. This is why birds don't get fed by me. It does not happen. Damn, my arm's getting tired. Jeez, was locking up on me. Whoa. I keep forgetting the camera's not right here and it's like over here. Not used to holding this sideways. Making my way back. Making my way down. I can't believe I filmed the whole first video right side up. What was I even thinking? Why did I do that? Why did I do that, guys? No one said nothing? Just gonna let it happen, huh? Okay, that's how it is, huh? That's how it is, huh? Okay, oh, rocking my foot, rocking my shoe. Ow. Sharp, pointy rock, what the? All right. Check it out. And off we go. Down the trail, back to the vehicle. I think I'm just gonna name it the vehicle. Not a bad name. We are here at the water. Not the beach side, but we're at the water. Yeah. Beach is down there. Way on the other side, there's a bunch of sand. But this side, I like the side better. Look at that backdrop. That's nice. I wonder what time the air show starts. I'm gonna have to look it up in a minute. But it's not gonna be behind me. It's gonna be that way. That way. I should have brought a book. Story about something in the ocean. Ocean story. A little ocean fiction. Ocean non-fiction. Ocean fiction. Wonder if I can make it look like I'm in a boat. Thumbnail? No. Thumbnail? No. Ah. That hurt. Let me get out of the way and you just capture the view. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Must be starting soon. Here at the picnic table now. It's down there by the rocks. Oh, I see one. Let's catch him. There he is, there he is, there he is. Oh, he's really small on the camera. Jeez, can't even see it. One of my favorite stores. There you go. Paper towel. Needed these. And some tape. 2 rolls. Yeah. Well, I figure for this portion of the video, we go get some food, huh? A little mukbang. Mukbang bang. And we're here. We're at Burger King, about to order here. I haven't ate here in such a long time. Kind of forgot what it tastes like. We gonna get a meal, eat it, enjoy it. Long time. But we about to order something.
On the Burger King, are you ready to place your order?
Yeah.
Okay.
Could I get a number 1 with a large fry and a large Fanta?
Okay.
And could I get the 8-piece chicken fries with barbecue sauce?
We don't have spicy chicken fries.
Yeah, just the regular are fine.
Okay.
And that's it.
So 1704, second window, please. 1708.
Thank you.
Okay, plus a door, we'll bring it right out.
Okay. Thank you. You too. Oh yeah, it smells good. Smelling good. No, I can't resist. Ooh-wee. At the laundromat. Park at the laundromat. Alright, moment of truth. Look at that. Oh yeah. Mmm. Yes. Burger. 7.5. Almost an 8. Fries are 7 out of 10. The chicken fries with the barbecue. Okay. Oh, I want to try it without barbecue. Try it again with the fry. Hold on. One more time, chicken fry with the fry in the barbecue sauce. Combination 8. Chicken fries by themselves 7. The whole meal's a 7. The whole restaurant's a 7. The pop. The balance of carbonation to syrup. Let's see. 8.5. But that's expected though. The pop should be 8. You know what I mean?